All right, today we have a Mercedes door lock here the customer sent us. We're going to basically do a lost key replacement, but it's not going to be a key that's going to start the engine. Basically, what they're trying to do is get into the trunk. I think they said they may have locked the keys in the trunk. So this is going to be, let me see the paperwork on it. 2007 Mercedes E320. So what they sent was the lock. What we'll end up doing is just making them a key to get in it, and that's about it. Ain't much really to say about this. In this situation, it's just us making a key so they can get into the trunk, so they don't have to pay somebody to drill it out and destroy it. Because I know some of you call me and say, oh, I can make a little hole and get in the trunk, remove license plates, tail lights, whatever y'all want to do. But you got to remember, you're creating damage at that point, which you're going to have to repair. You're either going to repair a hole in the lid, repair some headlights, whatever the case is. It sounds good, but you're going to end up spending more money than it's worth trying to get into it without doing any damage. So I'll come back in a little bit with a key made. All right, we're back. We got the key cut. We used the insert key since it's 100% metal. They can put a pair of pliers on it and turn it. It usually goes in one of these key fobs. It's the key that slides out. So that's it. Here you go. Turns. This lock doesn't have the spring action because they don't have a spring on the back of it. So, but anyway, it turns like it should. So the key now made from scratch. You see the cuts. There you go. And that's about it. So if you have a lock and you're trying to get in, or even the trunk lock, you can send me the door lock. Depending on what type of vehicle it is, I'll generate you a key, and then you just open up your trunk, especially if you lock the keys in the trunk and you can't find nobody to get into it. Certain vehicles, you're not going to find people that's going to be able to get in the trunk. I think in this particular case, it's either he said the handle or the button or something he said was broken. That's why he can't get into the trunk. But that's about it. You need my help, give me a call or go to the website, www.acmlocksmithgroup.com. Thank you for watching.